Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to get Iqiyi TV app. Now we're going to be using the True TV. Now here you can enjoy 1080p of their streaming service, of their videos, their animes and the rest of them. So you get to enjoy them at high def, smooth experience, and you can switch to titles and also get to enjoy the Dolby Atmos home theater experience. Now how do you do this? Go to enter the main page of the True TV, then go down and find Google App Store and click on it like this. So you can see among the TV apps, Google App Store, click on it, and then you're gonna click the up button, and then you search. Yes, you search, type Iqiyi in the search bar and click the search button at the bottom right corner of the keyboard. And once you've done that, it will give you this. Then you quickly download it. After downloading it, you can find it at the plus at the end of the TV apps options. You look at the plus at the end of the TV option, you can see the TV apps, you can see the options, just click on plus. And once you've done that, you can begin to enjoy your Iqiyi. So you click on it and you begin to enjoy the Chinese animes, Chinese animes, sorry. I love animes. Chinese animes and the the short videos, the long videos, the dramas, entertainment, and the rest of them. Hope you found this video helpful.